Today, I'm going to show you how to add someone on Zangi Messenger in 2025. Whether you want to connect with a friend, family member, or colleague, the process is super quick and easy. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Zangi app on your phone. You can get it from the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Zangi ID or phone number. When you're on the home screen, you'll see a list of your chats and contacts. To add a new person, tap the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll notice an option that says Add Contact or a plus icon depending on your device. Tap on that. Now, you can add someone in two ways. 1. By Zangi ID, if the person has already created a Zangi account, ask them for their Zangi ID or username. Type it into the search bar and tap Add. 2. By phone number, if the person registered Zangi with their phone number, simply enter their number, including the country code, and tap Search. Zangi will automatically detect if that number is linked to an account. Once you find the person, tap on their profile and select Add to Contacts. The app will send them a request or automatically add them if their privacy settings allow it. From there, you can start chatting, calling, or even making video calls instantly. Pro tip: if you give Zangi permission to access your phone contacts, it will automatically show you which of your friends are already using Zangi. This saves you time and makes adding people even easier. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add someone on Zangi in just a few steps. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.